Hello everyone and welcome to Tech It Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the app Gmail. It's basically how you can access your emails on a mobile app. So as you can see, I've opened the Gmail app and the first thing it will ask you to do is sign in. So when you click on sign in, it will give you various options to sign in. Either you can sign in through your Gmail account, Google account, or your Microsoft account, Outlook, iCloud, Yahoo, anything. Now since I have a Gmail account, that is what I'm going to enter through Google. So as you can see, you can just put in your email ID and click next. Now on clicking next, it's going to ask you for your password. So if you remember your password, which you should, you can enter that and then just press next. And that's it. Your Gmail has been set up. So now as you can see, all your mails will be in front of you and you can access anything. You can search for a mail if you like, and if you can't find a particular mail, you can search for it in the search bar. And you can see, as you can see out here, there are different options. Let's say you want to see the sent mails, or you can segregate them into important, spam, bin. These are all the spam mails that have been segregated by Gmail itself. There's an option for bin, like the ones you move to bin. And when you go to primary, are the primary mails in your inbox. Now let's say you can't find your mail, so you just search for the mail or search for someone who sent it to you. For example, New York Times. So as you can see, I found it, and there are several mails by them. So you can just click on that and there you go, that's the mail they've sent you. As you can see below, there's also a camera option or a video option, so that links you to Google Meet instantly. So Gmail and Google Meet are related in the same app. Now if you want to add another account, you can similarly do it by clicking your logo and pressing add account and going through the same process by simply entering your email ID and then your password. Now if you want to send a mail, you have to just write compose, and it will automatically send it from your email ID, as you can see, from Vivan Mishra. You can write you can write the person's email address you want to send it to, you can write the subject, and then you can write the matter in the email. You can also add a few attachments, as you can see out here, and then there's a top right button, so you can click that and send it. Well, that's it for Gmail. You can let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.